Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, this is Aqiba Abdul Qadir, and in today's video, I'm going to be discussing everything you need to know about Code and Place Cohort 2025. So, I was selected as the section leader for Cohort 2024, and I'm going to be discussing a few things that I've learned through my experience in this video. First off, I'm going to share what Code and Place exactly is, and then we are going to talk about how and why you should apply for this program. Thirdly, we're going to see how you can make your application stand out in order to get selected. And lastly, we are going to talk about what are the next steps once your application gets selected. Okay, so what exactly is Code in Place? So what happens is that each year, about 1,600 students take the CS106A course, which is provided by Stanford Online. And in order to teach this course, what Stanford Online does is that they recruit students or professionals from all over the world who teach this course. And each of these section leaders are assigned a group of 10 students who learn from them. All right, so what happened last year was that three students who got selected as section leaders were from the CIS department. So you guys also stand an equal chance of getting selected. Okay, so the question is, why should we apply for this program, right? So the simple answer to that is that you can get something very interesting on your CV, right? You're going to get the name of Stanford University on your CV. But apart from that, you are going to get a chance to interact with international people from all over the world. So that's like great experience to have. Finally, you can get a chance to be the teacher you always wanted to be. Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to see that who should apply for this program. So it's basically simple. Any student who knows a bit of programming can apply for this program. Not necessarily Python. You can know any programming language, the basics of those of that language, and you can actually go for this program because Python is pretty simple. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? Right. So another thing that you should keep in mind when applying is that you should be fluent in speaking English. At least your English should be understandable. Okay. So as long as you fulfill this requirement, you're good to go. Okay, how to apply for this program? It's simple. You just need to go to the Code and Place website. You have to sign up over there, and then you have to fill in the application, and you have to wait for the selection. Okay, so how can you make your application stand out? The simple thing is to be honest. Okay, just be honest about yourself. Share, fun stories about yourself, and tell everything that's being asked by yourself. Don't ask LLMs to answer for you. They're asking you, not ChatGPT or DeepSeek, right? So don't use LLMs. Be honest and be yourself and be fun. Finally, how do you make your application stand out? So the most important thing is to create a good demonstration video, right? Make your video very concise, to the point, and explain the concepts in the video very clearly. If you have a good video demonstration, then your chances of selection is going to be very, very high. Okay, so again, you should be honest and you should apply for the program. If you do not apply, you'll not know if you could ever get selected. And even if you don't get selected, at least you would know what things you have to work more on to apply next year, right? Okay, so what to do once your application gets accepted? Once your application gets accepted, please let us know so that we can add you to a specific section leader group in which we are going to provide guidance about what are the next steps you can take. And lastly, guys, make Pakistan proud by applying for this program. Represent Pakistan and show a good image of Pakistan. Yeah, that's it. So if you have any more questions, you can ask in the comments below, and I am going to answer all of them. Thank you.